Good morning students. Today we are going to do chapter data handling. So first of all, what is data? Data means collection of any information. So students, straight away we are going to do the exercises of NCERT class 6 data handling. So I would be explaining you side by side how you would be solving the sums. So as in this exercise 9.1 of NCERT and 6 class, here it is written in mathematics text the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Average of the marks is given in the tally mark. Using tally marks we have to depict. Now students, if you see the number of the sum number of the numbers are given, yet the repetition is occurring, so we have to make tally marks for this. How many students obtained equal marks or more than 7? So we are going to make like this. Number of students ठीक है, tally marks. Now how the information of tally marks will be depicting. So first of all, number of students, if we talk of, there are the marks which are obtained by 40 students. So we will be going to see the how many marks does the obtained by 40 students. We will be arranging them in sequence. So let us see how we will be solving the sum. Now first of all, 1 mark. Number of times we have to see how many times the 1 mark is repeated over here. Now if you see 1, 2, then so 1 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So we will write number of students are how many? So 1, here we have to make 1 more marks. Okay, so 1 mark is obtained by 2 students, and in tally marks we will write 1, 1, 2, 2 standing lines. Then the marks obtained, 2 marks. 2 marks are obtained by how many students? Now again we have to see how many times 2 is repeated. Now if you see, 2 is repeated 1, then 2, 3, 3 times. So it means 2 is repeated how many times? 3. So number of students who scored 2 marks, they are 3 in number. So we will write 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now next number is 3 marks. So now again we will see this table and we will count it how many times 3 is repeated. Now if you see, first one, 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3 times number 3 is coming. 3 times, yes. Again 3 is coming 3 times, it means the same. 1, 2, 3. Now let us see the next number 4. So we will see how many times 4 marks is coming over here. So if we see 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4 is coming. So we will write here 7. And how to write in tally marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be vertical line which would be cutting these 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This line means 5. This vertical line means 5. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have written this one in tally marks. That marks 4 is repeated how many times? 7 times. Now students, number 5, marks 5. Now let us see again this table, same table. So we have to see how many times 5 is repeated. Now if you see 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6. How many times? 6 times. So we will write here 6, and now we will depict it in the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. This means 5, 6. Now next number 6. So 6 marks. 6 marks are obtained by how many students? Let us see. 1, then 2, then this one 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6, 7. So it means 6 marks is repeated 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7. Now next number 7. 7 marks is repeated how many times? Let us see now. 1. Then in second row 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 times, है ना? So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next number is 8 marks. Now let us see 8 marks. How many times it is repeated? 1. Then 1 के बाद 2, 3 times. 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Now last number 9. So 9 is repeated how many times? If you see this 9, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 9 also. So marks 9 is repeated 3. So this is how students we have to see that we have depicted our information given in the form of table here in tally marks. So this one we call tally. Okay. Now according to this, now the further they have put some question. How many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7? How many? So now if we have made more than these are the marks. Okay, now we have to see how many students obtained marks equal means equal to 7. Equal to 7 here. These are the marks. So 7 or greater than 7. Send me. We have to add them. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So what would be the answer? 11. Okay. So how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7? They are this one. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 students. Second part is how many students obtains marks below 4? So below 4 means these upper marks. 1, 2, 3 marks. So they are 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So how many students obtained marks below 4? They are in 8 number. Okay. Now in the same way, we will do the next sum. So I hope you understood this. Okay. Now respond me. Okay. Now second part is following is the choice of the sweets of 30 students of class 6. So there is a choice in second question. Laddu, barfi, rasgulla, so jalebi. These are the table. This one, the information is given that 30 students of the class 6 they like these. So we have to arrange these in and to depict the information in the form of tally marks. So further I am going to do this second part. So in the same way you are going to depict the information in the tally marks. So I would be showing you. Now this one is favorite choice of sweets by 30 students. So now I would write the heading sweets, favorite sweets you can write or simple sweets. Now number of students I am writing. Then third line I will write for telemarks. Okay. So telemarks. Now students, let us see. Okay, I will write one more column for numbering it, so that we can easily see whether which type of the sweets we are having. Now students, first of all we will talk of laddu. What we will see, if you see this laddu. Now first sweet is laddu. So we will be seeing here now laddu is repeated how many times? Now laddu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 times. Number of students who like laddu. They are 11. But now how to write in telemarks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oblique line is 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. So we got 11. Now second sweet, which is, here is barfi. So let us students write down barfi here. Now again we will see how many times the barfi is repeated. So 1, then 2, then we have 2, where is 3?
3.
3.
There are 3 burfis only.
Only 3? Okay. So 3 students liked barfi. 1, 2, 3. Simple 3 standing lines we will do. The third sweet. Third sweet would be of
Let me watch.
jalebi. Jalebi. Okay. Now again we will see students how many times jalebi is repeated.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
5,
2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times?
yes,
6 times. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6. Then fourth sweet. Fourth sweet is rasgulla.
Rasgulla.
Gulla. So now students, let us see how many times rasgulla is repeated. So if you see rasgulla 1, 2,
3, 4,
3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9.
9.
9 times. So now we will depict 9 in telemarks. How to write in telemarks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we also written over there rasgulla. Now any other which one? Now which one is the all we have done? So these all sweets we have depicted over there. So these sweets they talk of. Now next question, what they have written. Firstly we written all these in table in telemarks. Second part is which sweet is preferred by most of the students. Now what is the answer for most? Laddus. Because the number of laddu is more. In all, laddu is depicting more number of students. So which is preferred? Laddu is the answer. Okay students. So in the same way students we have to see. Now I think same the question number 3 you can do by in the same way as we have done question number 1 and question number 2. Now let us see how we are going to do the question number 4. Now bachi, when we are seeing the information with the help of pictures, you are seeing the pictures, there is a tractor. They have shown over there. So when we are seeing the information in the form of pictures, what we call pictograph. What we say that? Pictograph. So always remember, when the information is depicted in the form of pictures, we are going to say it pictograph. So firstly, let me make you see what is written in the question. Following is a pictograph shown the number of tractors in the village. So village is given B village B, C, D, E. So one tractor is representing where it is only one means one tractor means one only there. Now let us see that village A. Now see 1, 2,
Village
3,
A
4,
has
5,
six
6.
tractors.
Village B 3,
Village
4,
is
5.
five.
So this way it is simple to count over there. Now let us see how we will be answering. Which village is the minimum number of tractors? So which is having the lesser? Minimum means less.
D.
Village D. So simply you are going to write village D. Next which village has maximum? Maximum means which are more in number. Which are more in number. So which is the more in village C. Next how many more tractors village C has as compared to village B? So means comparison. When we are doing comparison, we will subtract. Okay. So it means comparison between two villages, village C and village B. So village
8
C
minus 5 equal to 5.
Yes. So as village C has more, so 8 minus 5
Equal to 3.
answer is 3. Okay, keep it straight. Then what is the total number of tractors in all the 4 villages? Total means you will add them all. So add them all, that is plus 6
plus 5,
11. 11 plus 8.
19.
11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 3.
22.
19 plus 3, 22 plus 22 plus 6.
28.
28. So what you get? The total number of the tractors you will get 28. Okay. Now the next one is.
The next one is there.
Now students, firstly I am going to erase this one.
Can I?
So I would be doing side by side. Then this question number 5. Now firstly see here in the book. Number of girls students in each class of co-education. Co-education means where both boys and girls are studying together. Co-education middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Pictograph there are shown. Now the number of girls. When one girl is shown, it means it is showing 4 girls. When one picture you are seeing, it means it is depicting how many girls? 4 girls. So see in first one, class 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
24.
6 4 5. So it means in class 1. So if the pictures 1, 2, how many girls they are showing? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4. I am making little bit. 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means how many girls they are showing? 6 into 4. So it is 24. Why we are multiplying with 4? Because as in this, they have shown that one girl, it is representing 4. So that is the reason we are multiplying the picture given with 4. Now second class. First class. This one was the first class. These are girls. Okay. Now second class 3, 4, 5. 1 is half. If you are seeing 3, 4, this one they have shown. This is half. Half means if you see half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 and 1 is half. So half means half of 4. What is half of 4? 2. So 4 4s are 16. So 4 into 4. What do you get? 16 because these 4 are full. And this one is half. 16 plus 2. What do you get? 18. So second class you will have 18. Now class 3. If we talk of class 3. How many girls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 5 over there. So 5 fours. Why we are multiplying with 4? As you know, as one picture it represents 4 girls. So we are multiplying with 4. So 5 fours are 20. Now in class 3, we done class 4 now. Class 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 are full and 1 is half. 1, 2, 3. 3 girls are full and 1 is half. Now full means 1, 2, 3. We will multiply with 4. 3, 4. 3 fours are 12. So 12 plus this one is was half. So 12 plus 2, what is 14? Okay. Have you understood half means? Because half of 4 is 2. So we are taking it half. Now next class 5. So if you see class 5, 1, 2, 2 and 1 is half. So 2 are full and 1 is half. So 2 fours are 8. 8 plus this one half. Half of 4 is 2. 8 plus 2, 10. Now class 6. If you see class 6, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So simple, what we are going to? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 fours are 16. Next, 7th class. So in class 7th, what, how many we have?
3.
3. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 means 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are
12.
now 8. 8th class. How many?
One
1 is
and
full.
half.
1 and half. 1 circle and 1 half. So it means 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So this how we got the information about from this pictograph. If we are having more number, so simply what we are going to depict by then giving some number over there and we will be showing. Now which class has the minimum number of girls students? So if you see students, just on seeing this picture, which is minimum in number? Tell me.
Class first.
Class minimum. Minimum means least, lowest. It is this one for 8. So which class has minimum number of girl students? 8th class. Class 8. What we will write? Class 8. Now next, is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5? कहते हैं class 6 के बच्चे कम हैं किससे? class 5 से. अब देखो class 5 में कितने बच्चे हैं? How many? 10. class 6 में कितने हैं? 16. Is the number of girls in class 6? Class 6 here. Class 6 has less number of girls in? No. Class 6 has how many students? 16. And class 5 has how many students? 10. They are not less in number, but they are more in number. Now next time, how many girls are there in class 7? So if you see how many girls are there in class 7? 12. How many girls? 12 in number. Okay. So I hope you understood this, students. And I would like you to try in the same way. And I will just tell you how to do. If this one is the bulbs given, count the number of the bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because one picture it is representing 2. So you will count the number and you will be going to multiply with 2. And when you multiply with 2, then you can answer over there. So best way, students, is to write on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply 6 with 2. What you get? 12. In the same way you can write down and then it becomes very easy for you to answer the question. Hope students you enjoyed this session and we will meet in the next session now. Bye to all and keep on learning the chapters. Do written practice more and more. Okay? Bye bache.